do like a post night. So like after we posted.
Or maybe like off night because you don't want people watching us. You want people watching the
true.
video.
But I'm thinking of other nights we're editing. We'll figure it out.
That's true. We'll figure it out.
Well, like when we're working out, that could be one of them. Like during the week while we're in the gym. Bless you. That's how she sneezes.
Yeah, I'm weird sneezer. So we could probably try it. Excuse me. I think I'm sick of a little sick. Guys.
I think you are getting sick.
Mm-hmm. These kids get me sick, man.
I know. Rachel.